Essential elements of Agile Scrum. In this video, we will discuss the following. Essential elements of Scrum framework, and that includes roles, artifacts, and events. Do you know that Scrum won't judge you by your industry? The Scrum framework was created keeping the software developers in mind, but anyone can use this framework to resolve complex problems. And that is one of the reasons why Scrum is so popular. If you like the video, we request you to like and subscribe to the Agilemania YouTube channel to encourage us to provide more valuable information on Agile and Scrum. Agilemania is a team of passionate professionals with years of experience focused on consulting organizations in transforming businesses with digital and Agile. We play a key role in accelerating your digitization journey and help you navigate to a highly functioning Agile culture. Let's start off with today's agenda, the essential elements of Scrum framework. Scrum framework consists of roles, artifacts, and events. Roles are there to have clear accountability, artifacts are there for transparency, and events are opportunities to inspect and adapt. Let's deep dive into Scrum. Roles, artifacts, and events. We will discuss each element in brief to have a thorough understanding of the topic. With respect to roles, there are 3 roles in the Scrum framework. Product owner. Product owners are often referred to as value maximizers because they focus on optimizing the value of the work done by the Scrum team. Developers. Developers are accountable for creating increments for every sprint that meets the definition of done. And Scrum Master. Scrum Masters are accountable for Scrum adoption and the Scrum team's effectiveness. Next, artifacts. Product backlog helps everyone, including stakeholders, to understand what's required to develop or improve the product. Sprint backlog is a plan by and for the developers to accomplish the sprint goal. And the increment is the sum of all the work done by the team so far. And lastly, the events. Sprint is a container event that consists of all 4 other events. Sprint planning is deciding why the team needs this sprint, what they can achieve and how they can achieve it. Daily Scrum is to inspect progress toward the sprint goal and adapt the sprint backlog as necessary. Sprint review is to inspect sprint's outcome, increment, and adapt future work. Sprint retrospective helps the team to inspect themselves and to bring continuous improvement. Let's discuss how it works to have a clear view. Scrum starts like any other Agile product development practice where stakeholders come up with a clear purpose in a vision statement. Stakeholders choose a product owner either among themselves or from outside. The product owner prepares a product goal and comes up with an initial product backlog. The product owner will make a Scrum team with the help of other stakeholders that consists of developers and Scrum Master. The Scrum team starts sprinting, and the sprint can go up to a month. Sprint planning is the first event that takes place in the sprint. During sprint planning, Scrum team comes with a sprint goal that clarifies why the sprint is essential. Developers pull the work from product backlog and forecast what they can essentially do during the sprint. The time box for sprint planning is 8 hours. Once sprint planning is over, developers start executing their plan, and they meet every day for a maximum of 15 minutes during daily Scrum. They review their progress towards the sprint goal and adjust the plan to meet the goal during daily Scrum. Towards the end of sprint, Scrum team invites stakeholders during sprint review to inspect sprint's outcome in the form of increment. Stakeholders review the outcomes keeping the product goal in mind. A necessary discussion occurs between the stakeholders and the Scrum team to see what best can be done in future sprints, looking at the progress made so far towards the product goal. It may result in adapting the product roadmap. Thank you for watching our video. We hope that it was informative for you. Please feel free to share your thoughts about this video and what you would like to see next.